Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. To the Honorable Miss Dr. Herlita, SOS MEC Dev, and Miss Yati Lastuti, SPD MSA, as the lecturer of English course. Let me introduce myself. My name is Syahla Talita Zafira with a name of 170162405A from Department Economic Education, Class A of 2024, Faculty of Economics and Business, Jakarta State University. Today, I will presentations about my response to journal article entitled Isu-isu global pengembangan kurikulum merdeka dan pemagangan life skill world class education. Okay, for the first one, I will explain a little about the discussion in this journal. The Merdeka curriculum is described as an educational innovation that gives freedom to school to make learning more flexible. So, teachers can adjust learning according to the needs of students. The journal also highlights several global challenges such as digitalization, industrial revolution for all, climate change, and social inequality. Another interesting point from this journal is about life skills internship. This is a program designed to teach students skills that are not only academic but also practical. For example, critical thinking, cross-cultural cooperation, communication, and problem solving. So, students are not only smart in theory, but also ready to jump straight into the workforce and face real challenges in society. Well, now I will give my response to this discussion in this journal. In my opinion, I think the discussion in this journal is in accordance with the current condition of our education world. I totally agree that Merdeka Curriculum is a good step to make education more flexible and less strict. Many students may be more developed in if given to space to explore rather than just following the same learning pattern for everyone. I also totally agree with the idea of life skill. In today's world, companies are not only looking for smart people, but also people who can think critically, work together in teams, and face challenges. For example, if we work in a tech company, it's not enough to just understand computer. We also need to be able to communicate with a team, solve problems quickly, and be adaptive to change. Well, the life skill in internship mentioned in this journal really helps students to have two skills. But I'm also aware that there are big challenges in implementing a program like this. One of them is about inequality. Not all schools in Indonesia have enough facilities to support internship program. For example, schools in big cities may find it easier to implement this program because they have access to technology, while schools in isolated areas may still struggle. So, there needs to be special attention from the government to ensure this program can be implemented effectively. So, what does this have to do with what I've learned this semester? If we talk about education in general, this journal reminds us that education is not just about grades or diplomas, but also about building character and life skill. The concept of life skills mentioned in this journal is actually similar to the goals of 21st century education. We need a generation that is creative, innovative, and empathic, not just smart on paper. Education that supports sustainability is also very important. For example, students who are taught to care about the environment will grow into more responsible individuals. If they are taught to solve social problems, they will not only be successful for themselves but also be able to help others. So, in my opinion, this kind of curriculum really steers of our education in a better direction. It is also important to see how collaboration between schools, government, and business can support this implementation. If all three work together, students will not only learn theory in the classroom but also get hands-on experience from the working world. That's much more useful for their future. In conclusion, Merdeka Curriculum and Life Skill Internship are very important innovation to create academically and practically competent graduates, but we also need to ensure that all students across Indonesia have equal opportunities to enjoy this program. If this can be realized, I believe Indonesian education can be more advanced and competitive at the global level. Thank you for watching this video. More or less, I apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.